Hi, today I'm just going to show you some tips for writing code in Gamemaker or any language really that'll just help you save time in the long run. So in this script I've just set up a basic formula of setting the player's HP equal to his base HP plus his bot HP times his HP multiplier. And the first tip is to comment your code. So right here, it just tells me what I'm doing with this. In plain English, right here is what this equals. So I set the player's health equal to the result of adding the player's base HP and player's bot HP together, times the player's HP multiplier. So object player HP equals the base HP plus the bot HP, and you put it inside of parentheses to make sure that that happens before it times is the result by object player HP multiplier. The second tip is always make sure your variables are properly labeled. If instead of HP you had just a random, who knows what variable, I'm just making an example of. HHH, not a good variable name. Var1, not a very good variable name. Just try and keep it in relation to what it does. The second tip is, let's say you want to rewrite this code. So some people might just delete this and then they'll try and write their code. But what they'll find is, wait a second, what were those variables I needed? Well, I have it up here because I wrote a good comment. But what you should do before you write your code is just comment it out. Now you know what you were thinking previously, and it won't be as hard to add whatever you are trying to add to the code. Even if it's a simple addition, you might want to just comment out the code anyway, and then recreate the code with the simple addition. So let me just add something to this, and let's say times HP multiplier plus object player dot bot HP multiplier. And again, I put it inside parentheses to ensure that that happens before it times it by this piece. So comment your code out. It'll make it easier. Then if this works, if you want, you can delete it or keep it and maybe add a reference date like 8/25/16. Whatever you want to do with that code. It doesn't need to be too specific once you have the other piece working, but it also helps to have a past reference to what you had before. Maybe you want to revert it back to that and you don't want to have to go back and manually go through and delete things. It'd be easier just to have it there.